Sit comfortably with your back straight and relaxed in a space where you won't be disturbed for the next few minutes. This is your time, a sacred pause to reconnect with yourself. Now gently bring your awareness to your breath. No need to change anything. Just notice it. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest as you breathe in and out. As you begin to settle, notice how the mental chatter softens and fades into the background. And with every breath, you arrive a little more deeply into this present moment. Allow the sound of my voice to be your guide on this journey. Now take a deep breath in. Squeeze every muscle in your body. Hold it for a moment and release. Let everything go. Feel the tension melt away. Now with every breath you take, you soften a little more. You let go a little deeper. Now imagine a soft, radiant light descending from above, entering through the crown of your head. Feel this light travel slowly down your body, through your neck, shoulders, chest, arms, belly, hips, legs, all the way to your toes. Let it light every cell of your being, washing away any tension, any stress, any discomfort. Anywhere you sense tightness or heaviness, breathe this healing light into that space now. And as you exhale, allow it to release and dissolve. Now get ready to breathe in a rhythm. You're gonna breathe in through the nose, into the belly, out through the mouth, in a 2-4 rhythm. In for 2, out for 4. When you hear me say in, you breathe in. When you hear me say out, you breathe out, with the rhythm and the groove of the music. You're gonna breathe in a slow and connected and smooth rhythm. No force, no tension. Now,
2, out, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, out, 2, 3, 4,
inhale,
2, out, 2, 3, 4, in, 2,
exhale,
2, 3, 4, in, 2, out, 2, 3, 4, in.
connected rhythm.
In, 2,
There is no force,
2,
there is no tension,
4,
and there is no pause between the breaths.
2, 3, 4. In, 2, out, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, out, 2.
With every breath in,
4,
you draw in calm.
2, out, 2.
With every breath out,
4,
you release what no longer serves you.
2, 3, 4. In, 2, out, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, out, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, out, 2, 3.
Keep breathing.
In, 2,
Keep feeling your body melting into stillness.
4. In, 2, out, 2, 3, 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 4.
Keep breathing.
2, out, 2,
Keep going.
3, 4. In, 2,
Feeling your mind becoming light and spacious.
4. In, 2, out, 2, 3,
Feeling your entire being now bathing in space.
out, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, out,
Stay here,
3,
breathing in light,
2,
breathing out release.
3, 4. In,
Feeling completely relaxed,
2, 3,
completely present.
in, 2, out, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, out, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, out, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, out, 2,
Keep breathing.
4.
You're doing amazing.
Out, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, 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 out, 2, 3, 4.
Inhale,
2,
exhale.
2, 3, 4.
You're doing great. You're almost there.
2, 3, 4. In, 2, out, 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 2, 3, 4.
And now take a deep breath fully in. Squeeze every muscle in your body. Hold for a moment and release. Exhale all the air out and hold your breath. Relax your body. Hold in stillness. And now take a deep breath fully in. Squeeze and release with a sigh of good feelings. Allow your breath to come back to its natural rhythm now. and feel the afterglow now. Let go of any effort and just rest. Just be. Notice how your body feels now. Notice your energy. Notice the vibration of this good feeling inside, alive within you. Breathe slowly and return your awareness to your heart. Whisper to your heart, thank you, thank you, thank you. There is no need to do anything else. There is no need to be anywhere. You are present, you are enough, you are abundant, you are grateful, and that is your power. Stay here as long as you wish. And when you're ready, gently return to your space. Much love to you. Namaste.